Hey guys, it's Chaitra. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so you don't miss any of my notifications. Number 1. We are going to make this Dad Watches book. First, take an A4 size sheet and fold it as shown. Now cut. Once you cut it, decorate and write as shown. You can also do it on your own if you wish to. Decorate couple of them and staple. You can use any other instrument to bind them together. Our goal is to make it as a booklet. Now take any other color sheet and decorate the front page. Once you decorate, apply glue where you have stapled and stick the front page. Now write some good deeds for your dad. I am writing leg massage, head massage. You can write even on your own. I am giving a couple of ideas. Check out the description box for more ideas. Our book is ready. Number 2. You will need papers, glue, scissors, scale, buttons and something to mark with. Now fold the paper as shown. This will be the suit. Now take another colored sheet and fold it and put it in. Then stick 2 buttons. Now cut 2 thick strips and stick it. Now take a white sheet and cut as shown. This will be the collar of our suit. Now take the white sheet we have taken and stick it on it by folding like this. Once you stick it, take a black square sheet, fold it and make it like a suit tie. Our tie is ready. Now stick it like this on the front page of the card. Now take another color of sheet. I am taking blue. Now fold it like this and cut. After you cut, apply glue and stick it. After that, take another white sheet, fold it and cut it. And stick it. Then take very large strips of blue ones and stick it as shown. Make 3 as the same. Now take a dark color sheet and cut dad letters on it and paste it on the pop-up one. After you paste the letters, write down quotes or any other wishes on the card. And our beautiful suit card is ready. Our card is ready. These are ideas of last minute you can make for your dad. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.